further.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you one of the most amazing AI video tools, Higgsfield.ai. I have been using this platform for a while now to create AI videos and it's really powerful. So let's get started. Right now we are inside the website called Higgsfield.ai. This is an AI video generation platform where creators can generate cinematic videos directly from text prompts. I have been using this website for quite some time now to create different types of AI videos, and today I will show you how it actually works in real time. So in this video, I will be showing you two tools available inside Higgsfield. And the first one will start with one of the most interesting tools here, Kling 2.6 audio. So this is Kling 2.6 audio. We'll just click here once and the interface looks like this. Kling 2.6 audio is different from normal AI video tools because it does not generate just visual, it generates videos and audios together. That means background sound, ambience and motion are all created in single generation. You don't need to add voiceovers or sound effects later. Here, everything depends on how clearly you describe both visual and audio. So in the prompt, I will mention the scene, character and also type of voice and background sound I want. Okay, so you see this place? And here you can just simply upload an image and generate, but I will be using one single prompt, okay? I have already copied the prompt and it says like this. POV is standing beside a crowded street food stall at night. The camera focuses on actions and surrounding people. Continuous natural audio is present throughout, okay? And chopping sounds, cash exchanging, plates chattering, background audio includes people talking, distant traffic horns, okay? So this is the prompt that I am using, and as you can check, enhanced audio is already on, and this is most important while you use Kling 2.6, the audio along with the video will get generated automatically, and the video is here 5 seconds and aspect ratio is 16:9. If you want to change it, you can just increase into 10 seconds, okay? And after all the things are done and setup is done, your prompt is ready. What we'll do, we'll just click on generate, okay? So this is generate option, we'll just click here and wait until the video gets ready. You see it shows in queue, okay? Watch Kling 2.6 and the video is getting generated and it is 10 seconds 16:9 ratio along with audio. You can see it shows in progress now. So we just need to wait until the video gets ready. Kling 2.6 is very good AI tool. It handles motion, voice and all synchronization. So we'll just wait until the video gets ready. So as you can check, the video is ready here and we get the play button. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll just simply check the creation that we have done right now. Okay. So we'll just click on play. So as you can check, the video is ready and we'll simply play the video that we have created right now. And I hope the best has been done by Kling 2.6 audio.
The oil sizzles loudly as the vendor flips the food with precision. Fresh vegetables are chopped swiftly on the wooden board. Customers pay quickly, eager for the next delicious bite. The oil...
As you can hear and see, the voice automatically synced with visuals and there is background ambience without any extra editing. This is what makes Kling 2.6 audio powerful. Everything feels more complete and cinematic straight out of the generation. For creators who want fast storytelling, short film, ads or concept videos, this saves a lot of time. And we have got a lot of more option here, like edit this video or draw to video. We can just simply use all these available options and make the best use of Kling 2.6. So this was Kling 2.6 audio. And now let's move forward and check out the next tool available inside Higgsfield.ai. So we are back again in the website and we'll see which next tool we'll be using right now. Now that we have seen Kling 2.6 audio create video with built-in sound, let's explore another amazing tool, Nano Banana Pro. Okay, this model is focused on high quality visuals and lets us generate images or cinematic videos scenes in 2K or even 4K resolution. So this is how Nano Banana looks like. One of the best feature is that any text, numbers in the scene stay sharp and readable, and the characters or objects remain consistent across angles. So if you want to create cinematic visuals with accurate details, this is the tool we need to use. Okay, so this is the interface, and this is the place where you can just give a simple prompt and create the generation. So what we are going to do, I'll just simply paste the prompt that I have already made it ready, and it goes a futuristic city at sunset, flying cars passing by, people walking on the streets, neon lights reflecting on glass buildings, cinematic and ultra detailed 2K resolutions. Okay, and we just need to hit the generate button after our prompt is ready. Okay, and we'll wait until the generation. You see it's in queue right now, so we'll just wait until this image gets ready. And one more thing I would like to tell you, that this images or videos that you are getting ready using Higgsfield.ai, you can just download it and use as per your requirement. As you can check, the image is ready and it looks wonderful, isn't it? Actually the way that I want and the prompt that I have given, Nano Banana has created same as it is. You see these flying cars? Wonderful. And now you can just simply click this download option and you can download your image. Okay, and previously we just created one video, same thing, you can just simply click here download option and you can download this as a media and you can use as per your requirement. Okay, also one important thing to note, Higgsfield does not have any official mobile application. Any apps on the App Store or Play Store claiming to be Higgsfield are not affiliated with official platform. So please use only the website at Higgsfield.ai. So friends, that's how Higgsfield.ai works. And you have seen both Kling 2.6 audio and Nano Banana Pro in action. If you want to try it yourself, you can visit the official website at Higgsfield.ai. Do remember, there is no official app, so you use only the website only. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.